Wreaths, whether hung indoors or out, make your home more appealing. They're also a fun, surprisingly simple DIY project. Here's a list of the supplies you'll need. Start by choosing a base for your wreath. Most are made from straw, foam, wire, or grapevines. If you're on a budget, cut fresh greenery from your yard. Trim clippings down to the appropriate size, then gather them into small bundles. Attach the first bundle of greenery to the base using floral wire. Snip excess wire using the wire cutters. Add more bundles, overlapping the one before it until the base is fully covered. Now you're ready to decorate the wreath. Tuck embellishments into the greenery, securing them with more wire as needed. Lastly, attach a ribbon bow and loop so that you can easily hang the wreath on a hanger or durable hook. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.